Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick, another quick guess what's in the box video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's in kind of a box bag. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be another guess what's in the box slash bag video. This is a kind of a cardboard bag. Or, box. I think this is another item that I picked up for the Pioneer Mavic 8200 NEX. It is 9 inches wide, 12.5 inches long, and at the thickest point it is almost, if not 2 inches wide. Yeah, it's about 2 inches wide looking at it. What do you guys think is in the bag? I believe this is a HDMI and USB extension, where both cables are combined into one unit, so it's a round plug like this guy right here. I believe this is this guy. It looks just like this. It's got an HDMI port, USB port combined in the exact same housing. The one I just showed you is kind of rusted. It was in my vehicle. Always had it on the floor right next to the driver's seat. You know, if soda spilt, that's probably why it looks rusty. I've had things plugged in it quite often, but I usually put the cap back on when I'm not using it. But everything went flying everywhere when I flipped the SR5, so that's, that came out of the SR5. I think it might be rusty because when they flipped the truck back over, this RCA cable right here, extension cable, as well as this plug were actually hanging out of the truck. They were was hanging out the passenger or the driver's side window, the door window, because I had my window open when I flipped the truck. So I think that might be why it's rusty. I don't think it has to do with soda. I think it has to do with that it was hanging out the truck when they dropped the truck off at the tow yard. 3-4 days straight it rained, and then it was moved to a collision center, and then from the collision center the insurance had picked it up and dropped it back off at my house, because I had retained the vehicle. And when I went to the tow yard, that's when I made sure that it was inside the vehicle. I actually grabbed it and threw it back through the window. But I think that's what this is. I could be wrong. What are your guys' guesses? I think it's the HDMI and USB 6-foot extension cable that I plug into the back of the stereo, so I can use, because I also plugged RCA cables in the back of the stereo. That's what that extension cable is for, which I need to find another one for the new Limited, which this should be for the new Limited. But you guys let me know what you think. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also have an Ulsa Tools link down below on top of the description down here that will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. That is all I got for you guys today. We'll open it in the next video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Peace!